Tanuj,
Yes.
your character causes quite the stir through the show. Tell us about your experiences.
Yeah, well, so far the teaser's out, and I think in those 30 seconds, you're
No
right.
pun intended.
Yeah, no. Yeah, it did cause quite a stir because of certain visuals, and I can assure you guys that there are a lot more stirs that is going to cause as we release more and more promotional material. Having said that, my character is his name is Vayu Raghavan. He's this up and coming star player, and he's already a superstar in his own right. He started playing for the country. He plays in the PPL. He wears his stardom on his sleeve, and the problem with him is, even though he's exceptionally talented and he's got all the makings of being a great superstar in the future, he is always at odds with himself. And just his journey through this entire season, through this big tournament, how his off the field alliances have a very adverse effect on his on field alliances. That's what makes this character very interesting. And I'm really thankful to Karan for giving me this role, because it's something. I'm relatively new, and for him to have faith, for Farhan, for Ritesh, for all these guys to have faith that I could pull this off, even at times when I thought I couldn't, means a lot to me. And I hope that when this is out on the 10th of July, all of you all agree with their creative decision. Thank you.
Thank you, Tanuj.
Thank you.
तनुज, हमने सुना है कि आप पर्सनली किसी के ऊपर बायोपिक करना चाहते हैं, अगर आप हमें बताना चाहें तो।
किसी के ऊपर बायोपिक करना चाहूँगा तो आई थिंक शायद युवराज सिंह, बिकॉज आई थिंक कि उनकी ज़िंदगी में उनके हाईज बहुत हाई रहे और लोज बहुत लो रहे हैं। चाहे वो इंडियन टीम में आए, फिर उनके साथ जो बीमारी हुई, देन ही केम बैक, उसके बाद फिर ड्रॉप हुए, तो आई थिंक दैट वुड मेक अ वेरी इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी। तो अगर मौका मिले तो एब्सोल्युटली।